Let's unbox Rayhan Terra. We now have it in our hands. We are not just watching the international perfume content creators. We now have it in the Philippines. And thank you so much to Buy Shop Baliwag. I think this is already available on their Orange app and syempre dito sa TikTok shop. So I think you all know that Rayhan Terra is inspired by... Grabe naman box to. Ang ganda. This is inspired by Outland's Amouage. Damn! Look at that! Grabe, parang Spider-Man, ano? So, based on Fragrantica, Outlands is super plenty of notes, bruh. Grabe, ang daming notes. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin, guys, no? So, let's just try it. Please don't fail me. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. As of now, I'm not into this kind of scent. Pero if I will compare it sa other perfume, this is like, teka. This one. This one. This is like Rayhan Tiger. A little bit of similarities. Pero on skin, it is super spicy. A little bit of vanilla. Parang medyo creamy lang siya. Tapos may hint ng pagka-fruity. So, subtle lang naman yung oud niya. Ayun kasi hindi pa kasi ako masyado sa mga oud. Pero yung spices niya, cardamom. So, kung mahilig kayo sa medyo standing out na type of scent, I think this is for you. I don't have the OG so hindi ko siya talaga maiko-compare doon. Pero kung pagbabasihan lang natin siya itself, for me, 8 out of 10 lang siya for me or, yeah. 8 out of 10 lang or 7.5, not yet for me. If you will ask me if this is safe for blind buy, I will say no. This is not for beginner. Pero definitely, you can wear it every day. Hot or cold. Any type of occasion, yes. Unisex? Yes. Yes, unisex. Pero not for beginner, okay? Do not blind buy this Rayhan Terra, okay? Better mag-decant muna kayo, okay? This is an acquired smell. Tama ba? Acquired smell o acquired taste? Yeah, acquired smell siya. So, basta, just to be safe, decant muna ang itry nyo, okay? Huwag muna kayo bumili ng full bottle. That's my thoughts for Rayhan Terra.